Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at opcoin66.com, a site that claims to be a top-tier trading platform for crypto and expert signals. But is it actually legit, or just another digital black hole? A quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a total horror show of reviews. Users are reporting fake professors, giving signals and constant pressure to recruit friends into the void. Because nothing says professional finance quite like taking investment advice from a fictional character. The real fun begins when you try to withdraw your money. Several users reported being hit with endless verification fees only to have their accounts blocked anyway. It's a bold strategy. Pay them for the privilege of losing your initial deposit. It's basically a classic Ponzi scheme with a fresh coat of digital paint, and the reviews are screaming for everyone to run the other way. The platform's professionalism also takes a hit when you look at the fine print. They claim their privacy notice has been active since May 2023, yet a WHOS check shows the domain wasn't even registered until February 2025. Apparently, they've mastered time travel along with financial fraud. It's hard to trust a company that can't even get its own birthday right just to look more established. To make matters worse, the people behind this operation are ghosts. There's no founder info, no ownership details, and absolutely zero social media presence. In a world where even my toaster has an Instagram account, a financial company with no Twitter or Instagram is a massive red flag. Their customer support is just a lonely email address. No phone, no live chat, no hope of ever getting a response. So is opcoin66.com safe? Unless you enjoy donating your hard-earned cash to anonymous strangers on the internet, the answer is a hard no. Between the fake history, the lack of transparency, and the impossible withdrawals, all signs point to a fraudulent scheme. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and alerts like this one.